How to delete apps on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can delete apps on our iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now deleting apps on our iPhone is actually fairly very simple. All we have to do is, let's say you have a certain application you want to delete, you just have to long press on that app here, then tap the remove app option that you can find from the top. Then you can find the option called delete app. So if you want to delete them permanently, you can tap on that option. Or other way you can do this is to open up settings simply, then go to general, iPhone storage, and here you'll be able to see a list of applications where you can select a certain app. Let's say you want to delete, then just tap the delete app button and confirm the changes to delete that certain app. This way you can delete apps from iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.